right, so here's another AI platform for cinematography. Um, if you're wondering how I found these, I always look at the Apple Store to see what they have for AI videos. Already, this is a pretty cool interface. Like, this is a pretty cool like first landing page. Um, like it just has so many things. Like it's very attractive, and I like that. I like the attraction, and it actually had really high ratings. Just in case y'all didn't know, it had really high ratings, and honestly, I kind of see why. You know, yeah. So let's get into it. And it also uses DeepSeek, which is, if you don't know, that is an AI platform that launched just a couple months ago or a few months ago. Um, you should read up on the articles for DeepSeek. But anyways, we're going to get creative with this, and we're going to start creating something. So again, this is my first time using it, so it may ask me for subscriptions and to sign up for stuff. And in those moments, you will be able to see that. So let's go here. So I'm going to go over here to the left side panel of the screen, and I'm going to click on video, and it says Clean 2.1. I assume that there are, some enhancements. And I am going to I'm going to do text to video and Clean 2.0 switch to a compatible mode. All right, so it's not available with Clean 2.1, so I think it's switched to 1.6. Please describe your descriptive ideas for the video or have DeepSeek generate the prompt. Um, let's be creative here. All right, so we're going to do the same exact thing, um, which is just had the young black male rapper chooses to become I mean, rapper chooses to become a rapper. I guess I could put young black male. There we go. Chooses to become a rapper. And then I'm also going to add at the very end, make this a cartoon, or make this cartoon that like. All right. And so I'm going to actually copy this, and then I'm going to see if DeepSeek wants to create something more engaging. Trendy curly wig. Why do they want to put him in a trendy curly? Is it in my? They keep wanting to put him in a trendy curly wig. Urban streetwear strands, the top, mossy, boulder, vibrant rainforest. No, I want a. I want to edit this, and I want to not have a wig. Why do we have a wig? Okay, let's say use this prompt though. I'm going to change it to not having a wig because why trendy curly? No, no, with a short hair. We let's do dreadlocks. Let's just see how it works. Okay. Mouse on the sea, growth of details. I don't even know what that means. Let's just click it and see. Oh no, let's use that prompt. It just all right. Trendy curly with I wonder where AI gets the trendy curly wig from. That makes me concerned because is that how we see black male rappers in AI with trendy curly wigs? It's a little awkward, strange. So there's also a option to have negative prompts. So I can also say, um, no wig. Let's just do that. So it looks like it's going to take about 20 whatever's to do this. It does have like it's standard. It goes up to 10 seconds. So you don't get to go beyond that, I guess, unless you buy a subscription. Um, I'm only going to do one output, and I'm going to keep it as is. So I'm going to hit generate so that y'all can see what I see. Yeah, let's generate. And the queue. And I guess the more you use it, the more like it costs because it definitely went up to like 40 when I after that. And so over here I have 126 um, flames. So I guess like that's how it you know charges you is off of flames. And then I can also upgrade my plan. I'm gonna wait for it to finish generating, but I'm gonna also look at the upgrading, um, the upgrades or the upgraded plans. So it's still thinking. It says 6 minute wait time. Whew, that's a long time already. So LTX did not have like that long of a wait time. Like, um, this video better be fire, okay? Because like I said, LTX did not have that long of a wait time, and so I don't know if it's looking for locks or hairstyles. I don't know what it's doing, but that's where we are. All right. While it's generating, and so it does use DeepSeek, and they have a Chinese version of this too. That's what's interesting. They have a Chinese version of this. While we are waiting for this upload, let's talk about some of the other AI movie platforms. So the way I look for this is I go to my Apple Store and I go to AI movie generator. And so they have Video GPT. We're gonna try that next to see what that does. Um, they have Minimax. Have y'all ever used NVIDIA? I do not. I didn't like NVIDIA. I guess it's good for like because they use story story corpse, I think. So it's like already cardstock videos. So they use that. Um, oh, the screen almost gone. 4 minutes left. Um, they have other AI video generator. That's what it's called. It's called AI video generator. And Veagle is a meme generator. Video Lab. I really think that this is an area where a lot of your creatives are going to shine because for somebody like me that's like, hey, I'm not as descriptive with my words, but if you want to create something that you can, kind of explore, that's fine. But with this one, I'm just not the creative type. So, um, but this particular app got 5,000 um reviews, and it's a 5-star app. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna do some research to see like where it came out of. Creative. Da, 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 da. So it says Kling AI, the next gen AI creative studio. Is an AI creative studio highly praised for creators worldwide, powered by Kling large model and Colors large model. It enables videos and image generation and editing. Here you can unleash your imagination or get inspired from fellow creators. Key features of King AI video generation, text to video, text to image. They have a community. You can clone and try. So you can use somebody else's prompts and then try it for yourself and maybe edit it. Um, National TV director says that Clean AI's understanding of simulations of physics and impressed me. So, the short film TV director excels in range of motion. Gaming studio person says understanding and let's see here AI's prompt understanding and concept integration are exceptional. Short video creator Clean AI is higher in quality, more stable, and able to generate content with longer duration. My content created with Clean AI brings great traction and engagement, with one video reaching 900,000 views. Friend, 900,000 views? What? I am in the wrong business. It is clear. All right, so it's still thinking. Let's see what. Let's look at some other stuff. Oops. Oh man. Oh, okay, so it's still going. Well, that's pretty cool. With me exiting, it's still generating. All right, so they have multi elements. Upload video, edit, upload image. We can make another video while that is dreaming. Click, drop, and paste. Text to video. All right, so let's take a look and see what DeepSeek wants to do. All right, let's look and see what DeepSeek wants. Let's do a DeepSeek prompt. Oh, it's the same. It's the same one. I want to make a new one. Let's go explore. I don't know if this is gonna be a tester to find out if it continues on. But I want to explore other stuff. That's cool, Helena. This is something that's. How did y'all do that? Like, that is so. That is so cool. Let's look at this one. 67 likes. Let's look and see. Look at that. Is there sound? No, there's no sound. So let's look and see what they said. So the start was here. The prompt is first person view of futuristic aircraft cockpit flying at a high speed through a dense cyberpunk city. The aircraft suddenly accelerates, weaving tightly between neon covered buildings. The pilot jerks the controls with precision, etc. This is they made this in a professional mode. Negative prompt: morphing, erratic, fluctuation in motion, noisy, bad quality, distorted, poorly drawn, blurry, grainy, low resolution. First of all, that's dope. Oversaturated colors, erratic fluctuation. So I think that when you're doing these prompts, you need to like copy and paste what the negative prompts are so that you can also add that to yours. Let's look at some other ones. That's pretty cool. So we have this guy. Let's see. Uh-oh, he looks dangerous. This is what they put in for the prompt. Create a high resolution, hyper realistic video of an incredibly handsome and cold looking humanoid robot with a sharp focused gaze. First of all, my prompts compared to y'all's is like pebbles. They also did this in professional mode and they had negative prompting as well. So if you don't know what negative prompting is, it's what you don't want. Okay. Um, let's look at some other ones, some high quality. So we have cats. That's for tiny. Let's look at the prompt. It says for four tiny baby cats from a lively rock band in a cozy practice room. The lead singer cat, barely holding onto a microphone, sings with a adorable determination. I don't have any sound, so just in case you guys are wondering, so I definitely can't read this. Don't know what that is, but I like it. Oh, this one is. All right. Create contest. Okay. Create contest 2025. First of all, I didn't even know they had create contest. I'm going to like you, and I am. Oh wait, I like you, and I am going to follow you because I think this is cool. And also, where did you get the sound from? I think it's definitely in the professional mode that you can get that. All right, so let's go check on our video, see where we are. Uh, have we made it? Have we come to life yet? Nope, we have not. It's still thinking. All right, so let's go back and keep exploring. All right, so I want to know about the. I want to explore. It won't even show me anything now. It's okay. Life goes on. All right, so let's see where we are. Did it? 30 seconds left. I think we can wait. Yes, we can wait. Mhm. 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 Mm. All right, what we got? Hmm. Huh. This is what we have. Let's do a lip sync, and let's see if we can input the text you'd like to character to say in Chinese or English or other. Okay, I don't think I want lip sync. It's like April Fools. I'm gonna do AI sound. I want to see what kind of sounds they have. Rhythmic tapping on hollow. Okay, so let's generate that for 10 fires. Ooh, some torrential. Oh no, we don't want that. Mm-mm. It's not giving. No. Let's do deep seek. Let's see. Planet exploding, man riding, or generate. Let's see what it generates. All right. Oh, it's nothing there. Um, what's my presets? I have nothing. All right. So let's hear. Let's maybe put something like DJing on um I don't know what that is. It's like I guess I don't know. It's like a it's not a tree trunk, but let's put DJing. Says sound effects associated with DJing. Uh it's thinking. Vinyl scratching and bass drops. Yes, that's exactly what it is. No, hit play. Let's do, we used 10, so we're down to 116. We're down. All right, so it takes another minute or so to create. So I think so far, Kling AI is probably my preference. Mm-hmm. All right, it's still thinking. It does take a little while to kind of, you know, come up with what it wants to do. So, let's see this one. Okay. I want you to, what's this one? This action will consume 10 credits. I want you to try that one more time. This one, yeah. Because something strange is happening with his fingers. And I need to figure out what that is. I want to know what that is, but also I want to. So while that's thinking, oh well. Sound prop. I want you to match movement in his hands, but also want to. Sorry, don't want that. I'm going to generate. So as you can see, it takes a while to really get your idea to where you want it at. And every time I change it, it takes points away from me. So I'm at 96. Um, so I'm just saying that because if you're somebody who is like trying to, save money or be short or you're short on cash or whatever, um, and you want to do better budgeting, you have to be more intentional with your prompts. All right, so we got. Okay. Fair enough. We like it so far. Lip sync, extend, and you can actually extend it. All right, so the only thing I'm going to change is my negative prompts because I saw that in the other one. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the explore page here. And I'm going to try to find somebody who has like human hands and hand movements. And I'm going to try to copy what their negative prompts are. Yeah, so this person, Julian, he looks like he
glasses off.
It's very skimming.
Glasses off.
He doesn't have any negative prompts.
Glasses off.
So we're gonna go somewhere else, and let's look and see what the prompts. He doesn't have negative prompting either. I like this one though. It's very powerful. Let me look at some other people. So I'm gonna go back to where. Oh, this is pretty cool. What's this? Vindy. Yeah, and they have something weird going on with their hands too. All right, so the best negative prompt I saw was this one. Where's he at? Where is my guy? Where is my guy? Best negative prompts. So these are I can't. So with his negative prompts, you can't copy them. But I'm gonna say distorted, bad quality, and morphing. Because that's a big issue. Distortion, disfigurement. Yeah. So I'm going to put that in mind. I'm going to go back to my. Um, I'm going to go back to my video. And I'm going to put. I want to. Okay, here we go. Let's see something. Let's see. Distortion, bad quality, morphing. All right, so I don't like the way that. Can I get longer? Nope. That's it. Distortion, bad quality, and morphing. So let's a start frame. How do I actually? Let me go to. I wonder if I can edit this one. It feels like I just. I can't edit it. No, I can only edit the sound on this one. And I think it kind of makes sense that you may want to add the negative prompts prior to, because it just appears like I can't. These are my assets. Video. So this is the one that I'm like, I can't. Add a start frame. Select from history. Upload. I don't have anything. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it as is. So okay, so this is the earliest form. So the way that Kling is set up is like your first one is at the very bottom, and so your newest one is at the top. So I'll download it so that everybody can see how this works. I'm going to download with MP4. And then I'll upload it. But anyways, this is how that works. So I hope that this helps, and I hope that this kind of gives you some insight. So far, this is probably the best one. Better than LTX. But I think with the subscription of the more subscriptions, I guess you can upgrade your plan. So here are the plan updates. Fast track professional. So the people that I have, the people who have done the best quality have had this one, the professional. So that has 3,000 credits, fast track generation, professional mode for videos, watermark removal, master shot, video extension, video extension, image upscaling, and priority access to new features. So if you get the higher quality one, you can definitely make the videos longer. But for what I'm doing, which is just kind of like playing around different platforms, I don't need that right now. But I hope that helps everybody. Y'all have a great time today.